Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for CAA students from LAM. We are going to review diagnosis by palpation. Let's start the ball rolling with Ma'am Trix. Good afternoon, Ma'am Trix. Hello.
Good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon. Uh,
Hello, yes.
yeah, let's go straight ahead to the question. What can palpation tell us or tell you?
It can tell us about the state of internal organs, the state
Okay.
of qi and blood and yin, the
Hmm.
yin and yang organs, constitution of a person, and reflects the organism as a whole.
Okay. Also, uh, let's be uh, let's be aware that we don't just exactly determine the state of the internal organs, but we also take note of the general condition of the meridians. So this is like very early detection, no? Acupoints even. So especially if you want to confirm your treatment. What does palpation include?
It includes stagnation, qi trigger point, channel involvement, organs or ligaments, adhesions, and obstructions.
Very good. So when you say stagnation, there is always the feeling of distension. Actually, this is the key symptom of stagnation. No? Then we have the she, the access points or the trigger points. This is where you get to feel uh, the pain in muscle regions. Then we have channel involvement. I'm pretty sure everyone is already aware of the difference between channel and organs. And then we also include the organs, ligaments, as well as adhesions and obstructions. What are the three techniques for palpating?
Um, Palpation, pressing, and feeling.
Great. What is palpation?
Palpation involves running one's fingers along the course of the 12 channels and are often done below the knees and elbows.
Yeah, so proximally. Okay, so this is how we do palpation, no? Usually, we don't include above the knee or above the elbow. Okay, so basically, this has something to do with mastery of the five shoe points. Okay, so after probably the next module, we're going to proceed to the channels and the point categories. How many times should the practitioner palpate the channel?
3 times.
Yes, very good. And every time you press it, you have to make it deeper and deeper. Hindi yung once lang, no? So you press harder each time to feel deeper and deeper changes. What is pressing?
Pressing involves the use of the thumb or fingertips to check for tenderness
Okay.
along the hairs.
So this is actually basically acupressure, no? What does tenderness or pain signify?
She condition. Sorry.
Yep,
Excess
it's
condition.
she or excess. Um, for the benefit of those who are new, ang excess po is the English term for she. Next,
Sure.
what does
Sure.
more pain indicate? So kung mas masakit yung isang bagay, what does it indicate?
Accumulation of pathogenic mochi.
Okay, so if you were listening to the webinar earlier, you have already learned that it's all about the fight between the evil or pathogenic chi and your upright chi or your immune system. No? So if there is more pain, there is more pathogenic or disease-causing chi. In those times, they call it evil chi. Okay. What does this tension indicate?
Chi stagnation,
What does fixed or stabbing pain indicate?
blood stasis,
What does slippery or hard sensation indicate?
phlegm.
Yes. What is feeling,
Feeling is to discern noticeable changes in temperature, skin texture.
including moisture or wetness? No? What does oily skin mean or the pattern?
Damp phlegm.
Good.
Damp phlegm.
What is the apical beat?
Uh, is the pulse of the heart and of the left ventricle, which can be felt in the fifth intercostal space.
Yeah, so it's here. Okay. So, chine-check po natin yan. Of course, you have to ask permission, especially pag babae, no? So, and you have to look respectable. Every time you are with a female patient and you're a male, there should be somebody else in the room, preferably a female. Para,
Okay.
ganun yun. That's the protocol. Just in case you will be charged for something. Okay. Patient of apical beat. Um, the result is you can feel it clearly, but it's not hard and it's slow. What does that mean?
Normal. Normal.
Very good. Relatively slow pala. Okay, if the apical beat is
Uh,
feeble and without strength,
uh, Zong Qi deficiency.
okay, or gathering chi deficiency. The apical beat is strong and hard. What does that mean?
Excess condition of the lungs and the heart.
Yes. Large but empty apical beat.
Heart Qi deficiency.
Stopping. Okay, if the apical beat stops and then it
Is
starts, what does it mean?
severe shock.
Or there's too much heat.
Severe shock.
Alcoholism. Okay, yung mga yung mga nalulong na sa alak, you might want to check your apical beat, no? Next. Discrepancy. Okay, there's a discrepancy. That means when you check the radial pulse, it is not in sync with the apical pulse. So, what does that mean?
It's a poor prognosis.
Okay, so bad, no?
Yes.
Now, the apical beat is rapid.
Shock, fright, or outbursts of anger.
Okay, o natatakot sa iyo. Kaya you have to calm muna. Like, you need to relax the patient. If you can do Shenman or you can do um Intang.
Shen,
Yeah, or shy lang talaga. So, you palpated the chest. Punta na tayo sa chest palpation. It's tender and then with light, just by doing light palpation at REN 17 or conception vessel 17. I hope you know where that is. Anong ibig
uh,
sabihin ito?
heart, heart, heart blood stasis.
Very good. And you should refer the patient to a cardiologist. Next.
Uh,
If there's tenderness
cardiologist.
around the center,
Excess conditions of the lung.
yes. So, heart blood stasis sa REN 17. But if it's around the center ng chest, it's lungs excess. Okay. Now, you palpated the chest and the tenderness is relieved by palpation. Gusto niya i-hard mo pa. What does that mean?
Deficiency
Yeah,
deficiency conditions of the
the
heart
heart
or
and
lungs.
lung. Okay. Then there is tenderness relieved by palpation, but elicited by deeper palpation.
Combined deficiency and excess.
So it's a combination.
Combination.
Okay. So imagine mo, tenderness siya by light palpation, uh, tender pa rin by deeper palpation. Okay. What is the normal abdominal diagnosis?
It should feel solid but not hard, resilient but not tight, and elastic but not soft.
Okay, I hope you know what that means, no? Soft, solid but not hard, resilient but not tight, elastic but not soft. Okay,
Right.
so we're now on abdominal diagnosis. So, if the palpation revealed a hard thing or pain aggravated by palpation or ayaw niyang pahawak yung abdomen niya, what does that mean?
It's a full
Very good.
fat
Soft
load.
or the ache is relieved by palpation. What is that?
Empty.
Okay, lower abdomen is soft and flabby.
The original chi deficiency.
That's why you
Or
should always needle REN 6, REN 4,
yes,
REN 6. Okay, abdominal masses that come and go and then move on palpation. What is the diagnosis?
chi stagnation.
Oo, minsan nawawala, minsan nandyan. Okay, fixed abdominal masses. Tapos masakit.
Blood stasis.
Good. What does the pulse consist of? Punta na tayo sa pulse, ha? Ano bang chine-check natin sa pulse?
The chi, the blood, and the essence.
Yeah,
The
the
yin.
yin and yang. Why is pulse diagnosis important?
It determines the state of internal organs and determines the state of chi and blood.
Yes, very good. Qi and blood is quite essential, no? And also the internal organs. Detailed. What is the history of the pulse diagnosis? Can you tell us how did it all start? Or who was the started it
The
all?
pulse is felt at the pulse is felt at the nine regions arteries,
Okay.
three on the head and three on the hands and three on the legs.
Okay, so this was started by Su Wen, where the pulse is felt at 9 regions. 3 regions on the head, 3 regions on the hand, and 3 regions on the legs. How many sections are there to a pulse?
Uh, Three sections at the radial artery.
Okay, good. Sun,
It's
Quan, and Shi. How many levels to the pulse?
there are three levels: superficial, middle, and deep.
Okay. What is the Tsun position?
It's located towards the fingers.
Good. Left. Okay. Ano yung nasa left Tsun position? What are you checking?
The heart and the small intestine.
Okay. Actually, this is what I first checked. No? Right Tsun position. After the right, okay, punta ka naman sa left. Sa right. Left naman.
Uh, the lungs and the large intestine.
Yes. Why? Because the heart and the lungs, they occupy the same area, right? Ano tawag dito? Yung,
Up-
yes,
upper, upper,
yes. Upper burner. Samantala ang large intestine and small intestine.
upper.
What is the Quan position?
Um, it's in the middle.
So this is actually lung 9. Left Quan position is
It's the liver and the gallbladder.
good. Right Quan position, right naman.
The spleen and stomach.
Yeah. So this is what you do. Always compare, no? Like, of course, uh, you may want to start by checking muna all the general pulses, no? Like what is common sa kanila. And then you do it like one by one. Like the right zone, the left zone compared with the right zone. Okay. And then we proceed to the quan. So the left one with the right one. Why? Because most likely, pag malakas si liver, humihina si spleen and stomach. Okay? So I think by now, alam niyo na may, you know, nai-impact talaga ang spleen and stomach every time the liver is affected. What is the sure position?
It's close to the wrist.
Okay. So this is actually the last position. What is the left sure position?
The kidney and the bladder.
The right sure position?
Pericardium and the triple burner.
Yeah, or the Mingmen. Actually, uh, other books would say that the left sure is kidney yin, yung right sure
Kidney.
is kidney yang. So if you analyze carefully, Mingmen is the gate of life, vitality of the gate of life ang Mingmen. So yun. And in Chinese medicine, the pericardium and the triple burner, ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng init, which
Heat.
makes things happen. What is the superficial level?
It's felt by resting the fingers on the artery very gently.
Very good. Hello, Doc. Ay, baka nakikinig si Dr. Terrence. Pauwi na, busy. Okay, good to see you back. Okay. Felt by just resting the fingers on the artery. So, parang ano lang, parang dumapo lang yung butterfly, ha? Ganon, yun yung superficial level. Ang deep level naman, how do you do this? How do you locate the deep level?
It's felt by pressing quite hard to the point of nearly obliterating the
Yes.
pulse and then releasing very slightly.
Okay. So, ipipress yun ng malakas hanggang sa mawala na konti ang pulse and then release it very slightly. So, this is where you feel the bone. By the way, Sir Joe Bell, kasama po ito sa ating auriculomedicine lecture sa our demo sa ano po, sa Bacolod. And pag dinidiscuss natin to, I will expect na pinanood na nila yung video, no? Oo, kasi diretso tayo sa demo. Hindi na po kasi uso yung mag-lecture ka pa, magkagamit pa tayo ng slides. No? O dali na lang nila yung cellphone and then tell them to watch this one on YouTube. Diyos ko, baka pumupunta na sa amin yung ano ng, my God, sumasakit naman yung aking throat. Wait. I muted the sound, sorry. Okay, I think I need to eat some warm. I muted it para hindi nakakatakot. Parang ano pa naman, phlegm heat. Kakahiya. Oh my God, this is recorded. I'm sorry. Because the kanlaon, my God, keeps spewing something there. Pero mas malapit kayo sa kanlaon, Sir Chobel, di ba? Dapat kayo
Opo,
mauna.
Doc. Nasa amihan naman ang hangin ngayon. Hindi talaga tatama dito yung ash ng volcan.
Papunta na sa amin. Bakit?
Yan siguro yung tama.
Okay.
Mga ash.
Unfair naman. Dapat sa inyo una. Okay. Ipalipatin ko yung ano. Okay. Where are we? So that's how we locate the deep level. So superficial muna, tapos deep level. Middle level, mom tricks.
It's felt between the superficial and the deep level.
Of course, nasa gitna.
Mm.
What are the methods for taking the pulse? So lecture to ha. But when we meet, hopefully in Bacolod,
Um,
probably.
first, take the pulse at the three positions.
Okay. Yeah. Hmm.
Um,
Hmm. So it
first, take the
was,
pulse at all three positions, then check one by one, and then
yes.
check at all three levels.
Ito naman, nasa examiner's view ito. Yung doctor's view, no? Kaya index finger mo doon sa tune position, yung malapit sa papunta sa fingers, yung middle quan ring. Ngayon,
So,
if the uh, there are patients na masyadong petit, no? Ang laki-laki ng daliri mo. So kailangan mo paliitin yung daliri mo rin. Ngayon, kung medyo malaki naman yung pasyente mo, iwalayin mo ng konti. So first, take the pulse at all three positions. Sabay, no? Then, one by one. And then, you check at all three levels. So, what,
question, the one
I'm sorry,
by one, you don't lift the other fingers, no? If you check it one by one, you don't lift the other fingers, yun, diba?
try not to lift it.
Just slightly.
Yeah, slightly lang. And then try to have a very good, try to remember. Kaya don't lift it. And okay, sige lang. It's so difficult to describe it here, but if you've been watching the videos sa it's there, 'di ba? Yung Pulse Matters. Yeah, doon yan. May kanya-kanya tayong technique. But again, you need to be able to actually, 'di ba, the pulse actually tells us about the heart, but again, we need to be very specific. So first, you have to locate um the position, the level, no? Kung anong level siya. Kung superficial ba siya or deep. So, pag hindi siya superficial or deep, nasa middle siya. Pero dapat ma-feel mo siya sa middle talaga. Okay. What are the five movements ng pulse diagnosis? So, there are actually, okay, Sir Jobel, we are going to master this. There are five movements. What are
The
the
five
movements?
movements are lifting, pressing, searching, pushing, and rolling.
Very good. Lifting, pressing. So, we'll discuss one by one. What is lifting?
Lifting is to lift up fingers to feel the superficial level.
Yan, nililift mo sarili mong fingers.
Yes.
Lifting nga eh. Kasi gusto mong i-check yung superficiality ng pulse. Okay? Importante po yan. Tamang-tama because later, right after this, because this is quite short, we're going to proceed to the pulse para tuloy-tuloy na yung ating, nandun yung momentum. Di ba, Ma'am Trix? Kaya sabi ko ngayon na natin i-discuss yung pulse. Baka pagdating
Yes.
ng Wednesday, kalimutan na. Yun. Para baka naman tayo ng Thursday, Friday, di ba? Na, cramp up na natin, pare-pareho lang pinag-uusapan natin. Okay. So, yan ang lifting. Inaalsa-alsa mo para ma-feel mo yung superficial. Okay, ano naman ang pressing?
Pressing is pressing down on
Okay. Yung agenda mo sa pressing is the deep level, no? So actually, when you're feeling the pulse, ginagawa mo na yung lima. So far, dalawa, di ba? Did you get it, Sir Jobel? So una, gusto mo i-determine yung superficial, kung may superficial na pulse, so nililift mo siya. Okay? Pagkatapos, agenda mo ngayon, yung deep. Ididiin mo siya. No? Superficial level, deep level. Okay, let's go to the third one. What is searching?
searching is by keeping the fingers still to count the rate pulse rate.
Oh, okay. Actually, you don't search the pulse kasi you've already located the pulse. This is quite, I don't know lang ha, parang may mali dito. So, you don't move at all the fingers. I don't know if ito ba yung sinasabi mo. you count the rate of the pulse.
Mhm.
Only after
Me
you've done
too.
the first two, right? Okay. I hope gawin nyo sa sarili nyo ito. Gawin nyo muna sa sarili nyo. And don't panic pag medyo iba ha. Oo, sige. Ginagawa mo na ba, Sir Jobel? Okay. So, you don't move the fingers. Of course, kung magalaw ka, hindi mo mabibilang yung pulse, ang rate. Next, pushing. Sorry.
Pushing is moving the fingers laterally and medially.
Yeah, lateral to medial.
Medial.
Oo. Oo. Kasi pinapasok mo. Kasi ikaw yung nagche-check eh. 'Di ba unahin mo doon sa lateral niya, pinapasok mo, pinupush mo siya. Can you imagine? So, you're not the patient there. You are the one checking the pulse. So again, ano yung una? Lifting. Then, what's the second
Pressing.
one?
Pressing.
Pressing.
Press
And then, the third one
and
is
then
Searching.
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 And then pushing lateral to medial ng pasyente. So sa pasyente yon medial to lateral. Do you follow?
Yes.
Okay. Next, what is rolling?
Rolling is moving of fingers proximally and distally.
Yeah, proximal to distal. So that's rolling. Okay.
Lapit ko pala yun.
This is actually very, very important. No, I don't know if I've discussed this in the last ano. So yeah, so something good is about to happen. Ngayon pala ako natuto na ganun. So okay, by the way, you might ask, how long should you be checking the pulse? At least 3 minutes, 2 to 3. Kung pinulsuhan ka lang,
Two
di
to
pa
three.
umabot ng 1 minute budol yan. Nagkaano lang yan. Okay? 2 to 3 minutes. And then don't talk. So don't talk. Yeah. Okay? So let's make this a protocol. What's this? Routine. Okay, so we're done. What are the ay, sandali. Mukhang sinolo mo na yata. Sandali lang.
Wala si Madam.
Wala si ano no, si Madam M.
Wala si Madam.
Is she having a good signal?
Probably not.
Yeah, she did not respond eh. Um, okay. Sana hindi
Hindi
masya.
na,
Kailan ko kaya maano? Sana ano, sige, tapusin na natin lahat then isahin natin yung ating practicum ha, para hindi yung putol-putol. Okay, kasi we need to do this talaga. This is something that we need to really do face to face. Sana ba? Ay, wala si ano, si Madam M.
Yes, nawala siya.
Nag-walk out? Okay, sige, joke. Oh, Ma'am Janine. Adopt Janine. Pero would you
Disappearing.
like to participate? I don't think she would love to. But anyway, sige. Sabi niya, ay, bakit pa ako pumasok? But for module 4, I'm sure she will join us na.
Babawi yun. Yes.
Babawi yan. What are the qualities of a normal pulse?
To have a stomach chi, a spirit, and the root.
Okay. When we meet, we will describe ano ba itong stomach chi. And by the way, if you've been reading our references, andun po yan, naka-detail po yan doon sa TCM Diagnosis Study Guide. Okay, ilang libro na binasa mo, Sir Jobel? Yung blue book,
oh,
it's there. May mga Q&A pa doon, ang haba ng mga answer. Okay? So, if you do not have a copy yet, you try to donate. Tunay, magiging ano na yan,
so,
2.9.
mamaya,
2,000. Kasi ano, magbabayad na kami ng ano, renewal ng business permit. Nandun na si Albert mag-ano. Okay. Have stomach cheese, spirit, and root. So bumili na kayo ngayon, 299. Pulse, this is for pulse diagnosis, no? And also, meron din tayong lab TCM diagnostics. So dalawa na. Okay, what are the three criteria for channel changes?
The three criteria for channel changes are the changes should be in a clear line along the specific channel pathway.
Okay.
Changes should have some connection to the disease, and changes should be located bilaterally.
Okay. At least two of these three criteria should be met. Okay? Clear line siya. Then, isang channel pathway siya. So, pwede siyang around a traditional acupoint or related to a mirror region. What do you mean by mirror region? For example, sabi natin, lung 5. Ano ang mirror na ano niya ng lung 5? Di ba lung 5 is spleen, di ba? So, pag nasa left yung lung 5, punta ka doon sa spleen 9. Spleen 9. Or spleen 10 doon sa right. Okay? Changes should have some connection, of course, to the disease symptoms, and changes should be located bilaterally. Okay? What are palpation techniques?
Uh, Palpating, pressing, and feeling.
Okay. Feeling, you're actually dealing with the temperature. Okay. Let's define channel palpation. I think you already did this earlier. We can do it.
It's a diagnostic technique in acupuncture that involves feeling along the pathways of the body's channels to identify changes or abnormalities, which is
And
often in elbows and knees.
yes, below the elbows and below the knees. And this is where we get to detect the shoe points or the moo points. Moo points yung nasa front, yung shoe yung nasa likod. Okay? Yung mga nasa ano pala, sorry. Yung nasa, yeah, sa likod at the same time, yung nasa sa likod naman. Yung nasa ano, yung 5C, the five shoe points. Okay, definition of pressing. Pressing definition.
It consists of gently pressing the fingers downwards to check the strength of the pulse in certain areas of the channel or points.
Okay, in this case, we check for the channel, no? So, in if we discuss this, we presume na alam niyo na yung mga channels. Okay? Um, yeah, yung channels. Then, what does it mean pag weak ang sensation when pressing? Weak or
It means
sensation?
that there's a lack of chi movement in the channel and can be from excess or deficiency.
Okay. Kasi the excess can become deficient, no? Slippery hard sensation when pressing. What does it mean?
It is harder and more fixed sensation, most likely that the phlegm is in a channel or organ.
Okay. The harder and more fixed a sensation, it is more likely that the phlegm is in a channel. Okay? An organ.
Mm.
Okay, tenderness na may pressure sensation when pressing.
Excess condition in the channel or organ.
Okay. Andiyan ba si Sir Mark? Parang may nag-text siya sa akin.
Yes.
Sir Mark, no? So I think, ano kayang diinat niya? Dami na itong mga messages. When ang class for CAA here. Ay, nako, if I only had a lot of clothes. Okay. Tenderness. Yeah. This is easy because ano ba to? Alam naman natin when there's tenderness, when you apply pressure, that's excess, no? Could be channel or organ. Next. Ay, ano pala yung message ni Sir Mark? Ano ba yan? Dami naman. Ay, bahala. More severe pain with pressure sensation when pressing.
It's a rising accumulation of pathogenic qi.
Okay, that means there is more exposure to the pathogen, no? Next, feeling. What is it used for?
To discern noticeable changes in temperature, moisture, and skin.
So temperature, moisture, texture. Next. Okay, what are the different temperatures on the abdomen under feeling?
Condition in association of the burners, heat above the umbilicus,
Okay.
and cold below the umbilicus.
Okay, so condition of associated burn, yung tatlo, the upper, middle, and lower. And then the heat above the umbilicus is the spleen stomach heat. Below is kidney deficiency. So, apply natin yan, ha? So, sana, sir, ay, hindi nakikinig. We can do this, okay? You need to actually know. So, there. You have to know the different temperatures on the abdomen. So, kung mainit, above the umbilicus, there's spleen, stomach heat. If it's cold below the umbilicus, that's kidney deficiency. Okay, what about general dryness?
Systemic blood or yin deficiency.
Okay, very good. Actually, parang pareho lang yung yin deficiency and blood deficiency, no? Which came first? Blood deficiency or yin deficiency?
It's the same.
Um, okay. Yin kasi is the umbrella for the blood, no? And yeah, so and body fluids. So mauna dapat yung blood deficiency. Okay? So yun. Local dryness.
Because blood is yin, diba?
Yeah, blood is yin.
Um,
So blood has to be deficient first. Kasi
yin.
blood is like,
Um,
look at it as
for
nutrition.
local dryness,
Yeah, local dryness is,
um, blood or yin deficiency in channels.
yeah, because of stasis in the channel. Okay? Walang nutriente. So walang dugo, walang yin. Okay? So there is stasis in the channel. Okay, local temperature variations sa feeling. Ano kaya ang possible?
Heat or cold in the
Yeah,
channels.
so I think you know what that means already. Now, soft, weak areas in general, what does that mean? how are you going to,
Hello.
how would you describe the weak areas? Or how are you going to elicit the weak areas?
Um, with mild pressure,
Okay.
it's like the muscle fascia with a diminished tone. It's
Okay. Less muscle tone. And then it's a sign.
it's a sign of deficiency.
Okay. So mild pressure feels like muscle fascia have a diminished tone, sign of deficiency. What about hard and tight?
It's usually felt at a more shallow depth.
Okay.
General hypertonicity of
Okay.
the large portion of the particular channel.
Okay.
Cold, damp, or relatively acute conditions.
Okay. Good. Deep hardness. Deep siya. What
Um,
is the significance?
for deep hardness, it's blood stasis, phlegm, and chronic disease. It's below the skin and less likely to move when skin moves.
Mm-hmm.
It's very hard nodules and difficult to move. Hard nodules easily move and slippery or smooth. Hardness in a line, it feels like a piece of bamboo. A long stick like changes that are not bumpy.
Okay. So yon, si Mark Anthony pala, pinasundo daw siya ng priest. Ay, okay. So that means he cannot.
So,
Okay. So deep hardness, there are three things, no? Blood stasis, phlegm, and chronic disease. Um, Actually, it's both blood stasis and phlegm are very common. And so you just need to use your tongue diagnosis in order to differentiate, no? Kung ano ba talaga. Okay, so
hello, doc.
hindi ma-move, that's cold or blood stasis. But if the nodules are hard, so that's down phlegm. Yeah. So if you notice between okay, hardness in a line feels like piece of bamboo chronic condition. So kailangan magaling tayo magpalpate, no? Long stick-like changes are not bumpy, acute conditions. For generalized hardness and tightness, what palpation technique should be applied?
Ay, wala akong answer dyan.
Okay. You palpate
Wala
also the
akong answer.
it's okay. Kailangan yung pressure mo mid-level lang, and you have to note the channels involved, and the sensation is broad. Next, what is the significance of generalized hardness and tightness? You have an answer here.
Uh, yes. Acute condition,
Yes.
compromised function and or circulation in channel or organ. It may be cold in the channel.
So medyo may pagkatapang pa, di ba? Oo. Good. For deep hardness or nodules, what palpation techniques should we apply?
Should along the channels, then stop at the circle around smaller channels. The
Yeah.
shape and the quality.
Okay. What is the significance of deep hardness or nodules?
It's the accumulation of dampness, phlegm, blood in the channel or organ. Chronic condition.
Yeah, and so the mere fact that it's deeply located, so that's chronic. What does a deep hard nodule found along a channel indicate? Now, this is important, especially yung mga LMT. You need to know, bakit ba doon? So you need to know, ano ba channel to? Okay. So,
Blood stasis or cold.
yes. What does defined, easy to move, slippery, smooth, hard nodules indicate?
Um,
Madaling i-move.
indicates dampness and phlegm.
Okay. Are they felt at deep or shallow levels?
It's either
Yes.
deeper,
What do they feel like?
like parang bubble siya,
Okay.
like a bubble.
So yun na ha. Hardness, okay, fill in the blanks. Hardness in the bumpy line or bamboo-like indicates a chronic or acute condition.
It's a chronic condition.
What is compromised here?
The nutritive Qi ability of the fluids.
These changes may also include a series of blank in a row along a relatively blank portion of the channel.
It includes a series of small nodules in a row along a relatively large portion of the channel.
Okay, pahaba, no? Yeah. Next, hardness in a long stick-like line indicates a chronic or acute condition.
It's an acute condition.
Yes. The lines will be along or cut perpendicularly across the channel.
Perpendicularly.
Yeah, cut perpendicularly. What are the indications of changes in the channel or organ?
That it may be there may be infection or inflammation in the areas associated with the channel.
So definitely mayroon siyang inflammation or infection because this is acute, diba? So can you imagine if you can determine this right away? Deep hardness or nodules can be further divided into,
Um, Very hard nodules, deep
okay,
hard nodules, hardness in a line, and saka long stick like hardness.
for softness or weakness, what palpation technique should be applied?
By running fingers carefully and lightly along the entire channel, the weak points.
Okay. What is the significance of softness or weakness?
The Qi or Yang deficiency.
Physiology under the fingertips. The channel system reflects the presence of
The disease,
the channel system is an important part of the body's.
the defenses,
Okay. And the stimulation of the points on the channels can facilitate. Yeah,
uh, can facilitate normal physiology.
very good. So see, memorize talaga lang. According to Nanjing chapter 13, during channel palpation, which areas should be palpated? How and how many times, from lighter or firmer?
Um, Palpated below the elbows and knees.
Paulit-ulit, di ba?
Palpate the most distal areas of the channel first, then move from
Yes.
the jing, and then the
Jingwell
points to the
to the L.
jingwell,
Jingwell
to
to the
the elbows and knees. And then how is when palpating closer to the elbow or knees, the other hand should move to the wrist or ankle.
Okay.
How many times is three times going from lighter to firmer or and deeper.
Very good. Very detailed, di ba? O, dapat memorize mo na yan, Sir Jobel, yung palpation. Tuturo natin yan sa sa Bacolod. When you say pressing, more severe pain, anong ibig sabihin?
An
Or
accumulation.
accumulation of pathogenic chi. What do pain upon palpation scale of 0 to 5 indicate? Oh, alam nyo, we
Uh,
need to have this pain scale, no?
0 is no sensation. 1 is light and barely noticeable. 2 is moderately bothersome. 3 is very uncomfortable. 4 is patient jerks away. And then 5, the patient extremely pulls away.
Yeah, the non-noxious stimuli.
No, no.
Kahit, hindi noxious, no? What sensation to look for when doing pressing? Inulit na lang natin.
Weak or slippery and soft. Slippery hard, tenderness with pressure, more severe pain with pressure,
Okay, very good. What is the possible diagnostic significance of weak or slippery soft?
lack of chi movement,
Okay, in the channel, excess or deficiency. What is the possible diagnostic significance of slippery hard?
phlegm in the organ,
Okay. What is the possible diagnostic significance of tenderness with pressure?
excess condition in the channel or organ,
Okay. What is the possible diagnostic significance of more severe pain with pressure?
the rising accumulation of pathogenic chi.
Yes. Applying pressing to, okay. If you have stiff neck, ito napaka-common to ha, you can just do pressing. Ano mga points?
Lung 7, small intestine 3, and
This is,
Laugen.
yeah, this is an extra point. Lung 7, SI3, yeah, on the same area. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo dito ipe-press ka lang kaagad, no? So, dapat you start from distal. Okay? Applying, okay, this one is for organ symptoms. This is very important. This is where we get to discuss the Bakshu points. Can you memorize them?
Hindi ko remember. But it's bladder 13,
Okay.
bladder 14.
Nasa third thoracic. Okay? Okay, to be able to locate this, meron tayong mga landmarks na tinatandaan. Okay? Yon. So, and there are points sa talagang ano. So anyway, for review for this purpose, we just have to memorize the ano. Madaling tandaan, like ang bladder 14 is T4, bladder 15, 5. Dito nagbago na. Bladder 18, T9 na. Bladder 19, T10. Bladder 20, T11. Okay? So there are only 12 thoracic, right? And then lumbar 1, 22 na, 23, 25. Okay. Anyway, we'll get to discuss this when we take up the module on point categories and channels. Okay, applying pressing to points for headaches or pain in the body.
Uh, large intestine 4,
Very
LI.
good. LI4. This is very common. Okay. For general digestive complaints.
Stomach 36, stomach 37,
Yeah.
TV12, stomach 25.
Okay. Why is stomach 36? Actually, when you study nicotine, yeah, talagang ano to, SOP. Why? Because this is what we should have every day, no? In fact, pag wala ito, parati kang do you know the story of Stomach 36? Susan Lee is leg 3 miles. So, nung araw, di ba wala sasakyan nung araw, every time napapagod sila sa kakalakad, they would rest and then they will box or hit,
Massage.
yeah, the Stomach 36. So they can walk another 3 miles. O, walk na lang ng walk. So, Stomach 37 is the lower Hussey point of the LI. So if you notice, pag nandyan si stomach, nandyan din si LI. Okay? REN 12 is the front move. When you say front move, this is for acute conditions and also stomach 25, the front move of LI. So always think of the stomach and the LI together. Okay? Because they have the same polarity. When feeling, you are trying to discern aspects, naulit na naman, like
Temperature, moisture, skin texture, and smelling.
very good. When feeling, it is usually over body area such as blank rather than only specific blank.
A lower abdomen rather than only specific channel.
Yes, lower abdomen. When feeling cold swelling or dry skin anywhere around the ankles indicates a possible what?
Or yin deficiency.
Yeah. Shao yin. Yeah.
Sure.
Lesser yin deficiency. When feeling excessively warm neck, it indicates what?
Greater yang.
Yeah. Especially pag nilalagnat ka, di ba dito? Pag pumasok ng malamig na hangin, masakit, mainit yung dito mo. Okay? So dapat after the treatment, nawala yung init. Thank you so much, Ma'am Trix. Grabe, yung 100 points, ikaw lang mag-isa. Asan na yung iba?
Congrats, Ma'am Tre.
Oo,
Thank you po.
grabe. Pag summa cum laude. Anyway,
Hindi. Kailangan ko ma-memorize.
oo. So, di bale, ayusin natin yan. Anyway, we'll stop the recording for a while.